any stressful situation, anything that can produce anger and you bottle it up, that energy is somehow manifesting in the form of tumor in any part of the body. You know, you must have heard this term in 16th or 15th century, nun's disease. What was that? You see, because, and why did they give this name, nun's disease? Because most of the people who had this tumor in the left breast were all nuns. Most of them, I would say 90% and more individuals were nuns with having left breast tumor. Now, I am not going to guess or hypothesize the reason behind development of the left breast side of tumor. There are many reasons. But one of them, to my understanding, is the emotional stress. Fighting with personal individual emotions, fighting with their individual need of sensual fulfillment, which they resist. And that turns into some sort of a disease. And alternate medical therapists also do agree that people with stress, may be expressed, maybe not expressed. Any stressful situation, anything that can produce anger and you bottle it up, that energy is somehow manifesting in the form of tumor in any part of the body. So there are many techniques actually, which I don't think it can cure, but some level of healing can happen. In certain individuals, I have also seen the thorough cleaning which is offered in the Sahaj Mark system can actually remove the tumor growth or slows down the tumor growth. What one needs also at that moment, a tremendous level of comfort. Yes. Whether you are combating cancer or you are a normal healthy being, death is inevitable. If not in 1 year, in 10 years. If not in 10 years, another 50 years. Death is inevitable. And when we understand that inavailability of death, I am able to prepare myself. And in fact, I was very impressed with Dr. Deepak Chopra when he came to Kanha Santivanam a few months back. So I was asking him, Deepak bhai, I call him Bade Bhaiya, आपका अभी क्या research चल रहा है? He says, I am done with my researches. I am done with writing books. I am done with preaching people. Now, I am 75 years old. I am now heading toward Vanaprasthashram. I am preparing my next journey in life, death. I am preparing myself for death. Beautiful thing. How many of us have prepared for death? None of us. In fact, patients, cancer patients, terminal patients, hospice patients, we do sympathize. But if we can give this understanding from the heart, that it is inevitable. Now let's prepare ourselves. But, some people might misunderstand and say, you are so cruel. You're teaching me to prepare myself for death instead of healing me. What kind of a doctor are you? But this understanding should come even when we are healthy. Then, you'll be able to deflect all the problem. Death comes, all right, when are you coming? I'm waiting for you, see. That sort of courage will enter in our being. And that's when I remember my Babuji Maharaj's statement that lead your life in such a way Okay? Lead your life in such a way that you're going to die at the very next moment. And when you are prepared like this, what can worry you? Nothing at all. We always be prepared. But as I was saying, that when a person is about to die and needs comfort, there are methods available. Our volunteers can help. You can try half a dozen patients of yours. We can give them polarity sessions. And these polarity sessions are so magical actually. Even you will not be able to believe as an oncologist that what has happened to this patient. They become full of light. They become full of humor. In just 2 or 3 sessions, you will be able to see this transformation only through polarity.